Now we will see how we can add transparency to the image. Transparency is helpful in making one image merge into another or merge into the background. So let us open our favorite Android image and work with transparency on it. So we'll show you two ways to add transparency. One very useful way is, suppose we want to make the background of this image as transparent. So we can make a color convert to a transparency. So this is how it is done. Click on layer, go to transparency and color to alpha. So now you see that we have chosen a color and it has made it transparent. So you can actually change this color. Again, we will choose the color picker and make this as transparent. So you see, whichever color you want, it will be made transparent. So this is one way of adding transparency. This is especially useful to make your image work with any background, because on the website you would like to change the background color by CSS. So if the image background doesn't match with it, you would have to change the image background color always. Another way to do it is to add transparency so that the background of the image automatically matches with the background of the website. So this is how you can do it. Now let us move on to another way. This is a slightly more complex method where again you have to use the layer and then you have to add a transparency mask. So you add a layer mask and typically you would like to make it white so that it is fully visible, and then you add it. By default you won't be able to see the mask, but you can make it visible from the mask. Show layer mask. So now it is white. White means completely transparent and black means white means completely opaque and black means completely transparent. So if you want to apply this mask, you need to put it to a particular color. So how we can do it? You can select a gradient and let us select linear and then work with it. So now we have the foreground color is black, background color is white. We will draw a gradient and this is the layer mask. Now what we will do is apply this layer mask to the lower layer. So now you see the black regions have been made completely transparent, and as black goes into gray and white, the transparency reduces. So you can add very nifty effects based on this. So let us make it a radial one and we exchange the colors. So now what we'll have is a radial transparency. So if we apply it, then we see the transparency is like this. So you can apply any color to this mask, but essentially it will take only the grayed out parts. So this is how you can add transparency to the whole image.